And the IFTA goes to Voices from the Grave.
We're just very sorry that Ed Moloney, who started this whole project, couldn't be here tonight. But I really want to thank Steve Carson in RTE and Julian Vignoles and the people in BAI and our two terrific staff that we had, the editor Jordan Monmini and Kate McCullough, who the great cinematographer. Without them and the other talented people we worked with, we couldn't have made the film that we wanted. So on behalf of myself and Ed and Kate O'Callaghan, thank you a lot. Thank you.
Just very briefly, Ed, due to illness, couldn't be here, but he wanted particularly to thank Steve Carson again, and also Boston College, who made the tapes possible, because without that there wouldn't have been the record. Thank you.